How to make powerful powder detergents. Very light in weight, highly foaming, effective in removing stains, and also profitable if you want to sell using PKO and other few ingredients. If you want to learn how I make this powerful powder detergent using PKO, get your paper and notes and make sure you watch this video to the end. Now the ingredients. Soda ash light. Our number one ingredient is soda ash light, and we'll be making use of 250 grams of soda ash light, followed by SLS powder. SLS powder, the same SLS right, you make it into a powder, 75 grams of SLS. Then we have our lye solution, we have our ammonia acid, we have hydrogen peroxide, perfume, then color specules are optional. Then our PKO. PKO will be using 500 ml. Then don't forget your mixing bowl, your mixing stick or spatula. So don't forget, and make sure you produce in a well-ventilated area. Well-ventilated area, and keep all the chemical out of the reach of the children. Make sure you protect yourself as well. Now, the first ingredient that goes into the mixing bowl is lye solution. Lye solution 250 ml. And we are adding our soda ash light into the lye solution. Remember, we are using 250 grams of soda ash light. Adding soda ash light into the lye solution, mix gently and mix well. You have to stir it very well to make sure that there is no lumps. There is nothing like any single lumps inside. So you take your time, mix and mix and mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well in order to have a perfect outcome. Soda ash in powder detergent is a key component. It's used to boost the detergent cleaning power by increasing alkalinity and softening the water. Lye solution, in the other hand, helps to create surfactants, which are the cleaning agents in detergents. Continue mixing until both dissolved very well, especially the soda ash light. Make sure it's all dissolved into the lye solution before adding the next chemicals. And the next chemical that we are adding is PKO. Remember, PKO, we are using 500 ml. Add your PKO into the lye and soda ash solution. Start stirring it immediately. Stir it until all the lye solution and soda ash light mix together, blend together very well with the PKO. Stir it, mix it together very, very well. PKO is a major source of lauric acid. PKO fatty acid helps emulsify oil and dirt, making them easier to wash. And it also contributes to the lathering ability and overall effectiveness. Continue mixing it. Mix it and mix it very well. If you are producing a larger quantity, make sure you are going to spend a lot of time in mixing it. This particular formula needs your mixing ability. Don't just keep the mixing. Mix it until both or all the chemicals, the ingredients blends together before adding the next chemicals. The next ingredient we are adding is ammonia acid. Ammonia acid will be adding 10 ml. Please be very careful in dealing with all these chemicals. Ammonia acid is highly corrosive. In fact, all the chemicals using in today's production is corrosive. Ammonia is corrosive and hydrogen peroxide is also corrosive. Try and protect yourself while idly all these chemicals. Ammonia acid, we are adding 10 mils. Add 10 ml of ammonia acid and stir very well. Stir it together very, very well. It has a very choking odor. Try and produce in a well-ventilated area. Ammonia and other ingredients add as dry agents in production of powder detergent using PKO. I added 10 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Gently add this ingredient to your production. 10 ml of hydrogen peroxide and stir gently. Stir it very well until all the old chemicals mix together very well. As you are stirring it, you will notice a change of reaction in the chemicals. You will notice that the chemical will start rising. Don't stop stirring it. Continue mixing it. Hydrogen peroxide is a stain remover, also helping to brighten clothes color. You will notice that immediately hydrogen peroxide gets into the batter, it has already brightened the color of the batter. Continue mixing it until you see it exactly like this. You can see that the white color has come out. The hydrogen peroxide has brought the white color out, and now the mixture is already blended together very well. You can now scrape all the chemicals together. Scrape it together. Then the next thing is to cover it. When you cover it, you allow it to sit for 2 hours. Allow it to sit for 2 hours before you continue. And 2 hours after, this is what we have. Dry, fluffy, light in weight, white and sparkling detergents. At this point, don't forget to like, comment, share this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. It will notify you when I drop another amazing tutorial. Now, I'm using my hand to break all the lumps to make sure I have a very fine detergent without lumps. The lumps is not hard, it's very soft to break. So if you follow the same procedure, you should have exactly what I'm getting here. And the next thing is to spread your detergent on a tray or on a surface where air can just dry it. You just need air to dry it for now before adding other chemicals. You can allow it to stay for, let's say, 6 to 12 hours. Just allow it indoor. Don't take it outside to sun dry it yet. Allow it for 12 hours before adding other ingredients. Don't forget to like and share this video. It's very, very important to get to other people that might need this video. And after 12 hours, this is what we have here. You can see that the detergent is more dried and in fact is very, very light in texture. Now we can add other ingredients. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel just to encourage us to do more. And the next ingredient we'll be adding is SLS powder. SLS powder. Remember, we are using 75 grams of SLS powder. You add your SLS powder to it and you mix it together. Mix it and mix it together very well until both the SLS powder blend together with the powder detergent. You can see SLS powder is a foaming agent. It will help to increase the lather of the detergent. It will help it to foam more. That is the essence, and also a cleaning agent. It will give it ability to clean more. So, and the next thing I'm adding is my perfume. I'm adding my perfume. You can add any fragrance of your choice, but make sure you don't use colored fragrance. You see, my camera cannot capture where I drop my perfume. I just drop the perfume inside and I use my hand to mix everything together. Use any perfume of your choice. I added my perfume into it and I mix it together very well. And now I'll be adding my color specules. You can check the description box. Also check after this video. You can watch how to make your color specules. The video is already there. Watch how to make your color specules to add to your detergent. Now I add pink and blue color specules into my detergent. I add and I mix it. I mix it very well. And after adding all the remaining ingredients, the next thing you are going to do is to take it outside and sun dry it. Already you can see the powder is already dried. If you have a good sun, let's say maybe if it's not during the raining period, just 1 day sun is okay. It will dry it perfectly for you. And after that, what you are going to do is to take your sieve and sieve it. If you need maybe a fine, smooth powder detergent, you take your sieve, sieve it, then you will see that the end result is going to be perfect. I think you have learned something in today's tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.